welcome to Bicom Chats. Today I'm joined by Malcolm Turnbull, owner of Nova 9 Technologies. Welcome, Malcolm. Lovely to have you.
Thank you. Great to be here.
Let's kick it off with our first question. At our previous Bicom Chats, you spoke about how Bicom's price-sensitive products and PBXware simplicity were key to unlocking the South African market. 2 years on, has that continued to hold true, or has the market shifted in ways you didn't expect?
So the first question, or the answer to the first question is most definitely the Bicom pricing has been a contributing factor to the success of the product within country. Our modeling, the way we've done things, the adaptation that we've made through Bicom with bringing in different pricing models have definitely made us more aggressive in the market space and allowed us to maintain market share. The market is shifting. It is a very price sensitive market. We're finding that more and more companies are trying to take a foothold, offering more product sets at a reduced price, going through different types of distribution models to achieve it. And with Bicom's innovative way of doing things and the progress we're making, we're maintaining that status at the moment. We will continue to drive through different market segments to improve the market price and marketing offering, but at the moment I think we're in a good position in the market space.
Back then you highlighted Glaucom and serverware as creating a full UC environment that really fit your market. What has changed or improved in that stack since, and how has it affected what you're able to offer customers now?
So when we look at serverware as a whole, it's a full environment we can offer customers. So give an example is that when people deploy a PBXware solution, they are required to then go to a service provider, obtain storage, obtain memory, and so forth, and that has a cost to it. When you're deploying things like call center and smaller systems, that becomes a barrier to entry. With serverware, it brings that barrier to entry down. You can deploy a system and so forth. So we have seen a big improvement and drive towards serverware because it allows them to tackle the market in different segments of the market and becomes a far more attractive solution for them because you're using your own resources that you have on that so you can take the market better. So it is a big change. In respect to the UC environment, we've sort of having a look at the market, where the market is going. We're seeing a different market shift. Post-COVID, everybody was going to a point where we want the UC solutions. Now we're going to a point where the market is saying, I don't want to be disturbed at home. I don't want the UC solution on my phones at home. My work time is my work time, my home time is home time. So we're finding a shift now where people are moving back to the offices, and then they're saying we'd want to make sure that we maintain a balanced life. And through that, we're saying, where do we take the particular products? So with the new next products that Bicom are bringing out, it enables certain things to happen, and then it tackles the right market segments. And through that, we're seeing a different type of uptake and segmentation of the particular UC products. But the drive to CRM, the drive to all those type of innovations that we're seeing in the market space lead to the great UC product that we have.
You mentioned pin-based dialing as a South Africa-specific feature that Bicom developed by listening to the market. Have there been other moments since where you have seen the same responsiveness from the Bicom team?
So yes, it was developed for the South African market. I won't say it's unique to South Africa. It is unique to the old PBX environment where you would have a single extension where you could have 500 users punch in a pin, go to a buffer, and it would then record the information so that you would download it and produce it. Right now, pin-based dialing is a single user, single pin. We are getting a lot of pushback because people are saying, well, we have to have an extension and therefore there's a cost involved. So if we've got 500 employees talking like a factory environment, we're using a single phone, they have to have 500 extensions. So we're getting a lot of pushback to that. We will discuss different ways we could possibly tackle that particular market, but it has been a success. A lot of people are using the pin-based dialing. We've had a recent environment where because pin-based dialing needs to lock down certain features, we've had some customers request that some of those features be lifted, which then the PBX team have looked at it and found mechanisms to enhance it. And so we've actually improved the pin-based dialing and its functionality.
The 5500 extension migration you described was a landmark moment for Nova 9 at the time. What kind of projects have you taken on since then? Has the scale of what you're doing continued to grow?
So the scale has continued to grow. The big driving forces, we asked for the unified platform, let's say, not the unified platform, I think the word now we used, the collaboration project that we're busy working on at the moment. So the collaboration project where we can put all the systems together and give a single view is still on the drive, and I'm glad to see that Bicom's now launching it and producing it, which allows us to tackle other bigger customers. So we have had a look at some certain customers where they would have 12,000 extensions. How do we manage that customer? How do we give a customer interface and not a back-end interface? We have developed tools around that, but it'll be good to see the new products that drive that. And we are working on some projects that are bigger than that to provide a full encompassing solution for customers.
Looking at where Nova 9 stands today compared to 2 years ago, you already tackled the post-COVID environment and the atmosphere overall. What would you say has been the biggest driver of growth in the partnership with Bicom Systems?
I would say the innovation, the constant rebuild, constant adding of the products, the movement of the particular products, and also our pricing models. The adaptation for what we're doing, where we're going, our pricing markets have changed significantly. Our oppositions are moving towards a different model because they're finding that we are aggressive in the market. We're starting to take a lot of customers away from our opposition based on our models and the way we're doing it and the innovation we provide. So in the last 2 years, we've seen a good growth pattern. I'm very happy with the growth pattern, and I think it'll continue. More markets are starting to open up because of the way we do things and the way we sell it. And the most important thing is the product is stable, the support is good. And with that, we provide the customers with these, as one of my customers have said, they can sleep at night. And that's the great thing about the Bicom product. If you can sleep at night and you're comfortable with your product, then you know the product's got a good run on it and it'll continue to grow.
Yes, and that's kind of the pinnacle of the partnership, when you can be safe in the arms of your vendor.
Yes.
Thank you, Malcolm, for contributing to Bicom Chats today.
Absolute pleasure. Thank you very much for having me.